The deep ocean covers over 80% of our planet, yet it remains one of the least explored frontiers. Descending beyond 200 meters, you enter a world of darkness and cold, where incredible creatures thrive. Imagine bioluminescent jellyfish glowing in the abyss, giant squids lurking in the shadows, and anglerfish with their eerie lights luring in prey. The pressure here is over 1,000 times that of sea level, yet life adapts in astonishing ways. Scientists believe millions of species are still waiting to be discovered, making the deep ocean a vital piece of our planet's ecosystem puzzle.